So our today topic is enharmonic equivalence. What is enharmonic equivalence is you can see here. You can see there's two different notes, but when you play it on a keyboard, you will find the same key. That is B flat and A sharp. I will show you by making a. Give me a second. Yes. If you make a small keyboard here, I'll make it for all of you. So if you see here, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. So you can see if we make this one. Okay, so if you see this B flat and A sharp, so this black key is our B flat, and this is also A sharp. So these kind of note they play. If you play them, it's the same key, but when you write them, they are different keys. They're different notes altogether. Okay, so those are called the enharmonic equivalents. Okay, so let's do the exercises straight away without wasting your time. So circle the pair of notes that are enharmonically equivalent. So you can see now this is alto clef. So now you can see this C is this one. So if we go from here, let's write the note first. So this is C, B, A. So this is our A flat, and this is our G sharp. Okay, let's write now. If you see on the keyboard here, this is A flat is this black key. Okay, and then G sharp is also this black key because this is G and G sharp. So this is our enharmonically equivalent. Okay, now let's do the move next to the next one. This is our bass clef, and this is second space, so this is C sharp. Okay, and this is our D flat. So if we come here, C sharp and D flat is the same key here. So this means this is a enharmonically equivalent. Okay. Now next you can see this is your treble clef, and this is our C. This is our B sharp. So if you see here, this is B and this is B sharp and C. Yes, this is equivalent. Let's go here. This is C, D, E. This is E, and this is F flat. So if you come here, E means F flat because there is no black key in between. So that's why this is F flat. So this is also our equivalent. Okay. Next one you go to, this is here is A. This is B flat. So if you come here, A note and B flat is this B black key, and this A is before that. So there is two semitones intervals. So this is not our enharmonically equivalent. Okay, let's do the next one. This is our G sharp. This is our A. So you can see G sharp is B black key. There should be only one semitone next to it, and this is A flat, but this is two semitones, 1 and 2, and this is 1. So this is not enharmonically equivalent. Next you see this is B, this is C flat. So if you see B, C flat, yes, because this is one semitone away. So this is our equivalent. Last one, this is our G sharp, this is our A flat. So we see G sharp, A flat, yes, this is equivalent. Okay, let's move to the next question. The next one is write the enharmonic equivalence of the following notes. So we have to write the notes which are equivalent and harmonically equivalent to given notes here. So let's make the keyboard again here. So let's start from C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. Guys, I'll make it very badly, but this is just for your reference. I'll make it open. Yeah. Okay, so this is our autoclave, and this will be 1, C, D, E, F. So this is our F. So if you can see F is here. So which is equivalent to it? E sharp. Because if we come from G, it's so 2 semitones, so that is wrong. From E to F should be 1 semitone. This should be E sharp. So this should be E here and sharp. Okay. Let's make it slightly bigger. Okay. Now next one is our B sharp. So B sharp is equivalent to C. So we have to make a C note here, C natural. Okay. Next one is here given is this is our B sharp. So B sharp should be C. This is our C note. That's correct. Next one. This is B flat. Now B flat should be equivalent to A sharp. So we have to make A and sharp. Okay. Next we have this B natural. So if we go B natural can be only be C flat. So we have to make C and we have to make a flat. Okay. Next one we come here. This is A sharp. Now A sharp is 1 semitone away from B. There can be B flat. So we write B and a flat. Okay. Next one we have this is our D sharp. This is D sharp. So we check here. D sharp is E flat. So we can make it E and flat. Next one, this is our C, B, A, G, F. So this is our F sharp. So we make it F sharp. So F sharp can be G flat. So we make it as G flat. Okay. Next one is here. This is C. Now C can be B sharp. So we make it B sharp. Okay. Now next one, this one is our fourth line. So this is D flat. So D flat is C sharp. So make it C and make it sharp. Okay. Next one, this is D sharp. So D sharp can be E flat. So this can be E flat. Okay. The last one we have this is green that strikes fast. This is F natural. So F natural can be E sharp. So we go with E and sharp. Okay, and here we finish our this topic. Now I'll see the next topic. Till then, thank you.